dim sum basket yamde sum khajikdang atane sum haipedang sum
एक आ गया वेजिटेबल के लिए सूप नो सूप एक सी फूड स्पेशल नो सेल्फिश एक सी फूड स्पेशल सूप एक वाटर का सूप चिकन के लिए सूप किलो को डाकना सूप को लेके आ जाओ भाई लोग.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we are having a Sunday brunch, unlimited dim sum and some mango starter, everything, and this is our in charge. He is eating something very spicy and very sweet and very tasty, delicious, and all the foods are here. You can check it out here. Here all the chicken, prawns, squid, whatever, lamb, beef are here, and the fried rice is also there. And here is our dim sum master is here. And this is my senior. So here is our dessert section is here. So we are going to pick up from here. Oh, very nice, very nice. Good job, good job. Keep working, guys. Hello, Dipu chef. How are you? What are you going to make now, Dipu chef?
I am making hot and sour soup, chicken soup.
Hot and sour chicken soup. Yes, Abhishek chef. How are you? What are you making, chef?
Seafood spinach soup.
Seafood spinach soup. Yes. Wow, nice, nice. Good job. It's a very busy day. Yes, chef.
Hello, sir.
Yes. What are you making now? You are just standing here. Why you are not working? Go and work. Go.
Hello, sir.
Here is chicken puff is here. Veg puff, everything is here. Wow, nice. So this is the menu for all our. Yes, Mon chef. How are you?
Good, all good.
You are full tired or how? कैसे हो? अच्छा है, रामरो सो. And this is our Peking duck chef, a special duck chef.
I'm going to be billionaire one day, remember?
Please remember, guys. Don't forget. Okay, bye. Guys, see you on my next video. Thank you.